For discrete data, the calculator can give us all our summary values. We need to do menu, 6, 1 variable, and then we enter the data into the X column, and the frequency into the Y column. Once it's all input, we press Option, 1 variable calculations, and there is all the data. We can even scroll down to give us all the information, all the summary values, the mean, the standard deviation, number of results, minimum, quartiles, and maximum. If the data is grouped, then we can still use the calculator to find the mean and standard deviation, but not find the quartiles. First thing we must always check is that the groups are continuous. So at the moment, this group finishes at 6 and this starts at 7. So we need to change this so that this one ends at 6.5 and the next one starts at 6.5, so it's a continuous group. So I'll go to 8.5. 8.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 12.5, 12.5 to 13.5, sorry, 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5. At the very ends, we just continue the pattern. So from 4, we'll go down to 3.5. To input this into a calculator to be able to utilise mean and standard deviation, we'll need the midpoints. So the midpoint of 3.5 and 6.5 is 5, then 7.5, 9, 10, 11.5, 14 and 18. And if we input the data with those values, Option 1 variable calculations, it will then give us all the summary data. So the mean is 9.955 and the standard deviation is 2.7803. We can't use this, the quartile values aren't relevant because we're going to find quartiles by linear interpolation.